Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine.
And we're the co-founders of Glow Recipe.
Today we're diving deep into one of our most favorite, most powerful skincare ingredients, retinol.
For years, retinol has been a holy grail ingredient because of its transformative effect on skin, but there are a lot of misconceptions about this amazing ingredient. So let's start by answering the question, what exactly is retinol?
So retinol is a form of vitamin A and it's technically a derivative of retinoids. While you can purchase products with retinol from the drugstore, you'll need a prescription from a doctor to option anything containing retinoids, which are much stronger.
If you've never used this ingredient in your routine before, it's best to start with a gentler version, like retinol versus retinoids. It's most commonly known as an anti-aging ingredient, but it also has amazing benefits for skin of all ages and for all types of skin concerns. Let's get into how retinol works and why it's so amazing.
So retinol, when applied topically, has been shown to increase collagen production in your skin. This means it can help to smooth the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and minimizes the look of any new ones that form.
It also helps to brighten dull skin by increasing skin cell turnover, but retinol is not an exfoliant. It helps to produce fresh, new skin more frequently by working at the cellular level. As the new skin is produced, dead skin cells naturally fall away at the surface.
This means retinol is also great for treating and preventing acne that's caused by clogged pores. And it's for that same reason that retinol is amazing for brightening dark spots and treating hyperpigmentation. It evens out your complexion over time and fades away any discoloration you may have.
Retinol is so amazing because of how it slows down the signs of aging by encouraging the production of fresh, new skin, but you won't see those results overnight. To see long-term results, you should consistently use a retinol product for 3 months.
We think retinol is an essential ingredient in any skincare routine, but before you dive in head first, let's go over the do's and don'ts of using retinol.
The first thing you should be mindful of is not using too much free retinol all at once. Because this ingredient helps to reveal new skin, that means it has the potential to cause flaking and sensitivity in new users. An easy way to mitigate these side effects is to start slowly by applying free retinol products once every other day or even only twice a week. As your skin adjusts, you can work your way up to using retinol several days in a row at a time.
However, there's a new technology that makes retinol a lot more gentle. It's called encapsulated retinol. Basically, encapsulated retinol is encased in a polysaccharide shell, which delivers calming ingredients to the skin alongside the retinol. And since it's encapsulated, it time releases so you don't get all of those harsh actives at once, but rather little by little so your skin can tolerate it a lot easier.
The encapsulated coating protects the retinol molecules as it penetrates the layers of your skin, protecting and ensuring its effectiveness. This type of retinol is delivered to the deeper layers of your skin, the ones that it benefits the most. Still, if you're new to retinol, we recommend using an encapsulated retinol every other day or working your way up to using it every day.
If you're new to retinol, it's also recommended to use it at night. Retinol breaks down in the sun and becomes ineffective. Encapsulated retinol is actually better protected against UV rays, so we recommend using an encapsulated retinol product during the day and also at night. But both will make your skin a little bit more photosensitive. So if you do use it during the day, make sure you use a good sunscreen and don't forget to reapply every 2 hours.
It's also not recommended to use retinol with other harsh products. Stay away from this ingredient if you've recently gotten a peel, laser treatment, or are using other harsh acne treating products. When used together, benzoyl peroxide and retinol have actually been shown to deactivate each other, rendering both ingredients useless. When used with salicylic acid, retinol also tends to cause redness and irritation.
As for ingredients that it pairs well with, retinol has been shown to work really well with antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E. Used together and with a sunscreen, they can provide increased protection from the sun's harmful UV rays.
When using retinol, it's also helpful to incorporate soothing ingredients to help keep your skin calm and soothed. We love to include naturally calming ingredients like chamomile, ginger, and avocado in our formulations to help keep skin nourished and happy. If you're experiencing irritation, it should go away over time with continued use, but using soothing ingredients will also help.
Another ingredient that pairs perfectly with retinol is PHA. PHA stands for polyhydroxy acid and is actually a next generation AHA that has a larger molecule, so it doesn't penetrate the skin as quickly, but it's a great exfoliator to use if your skin is feeling extra sensitive.
PHAs are also humectants, which means their molecules attract and hold on to moisture. Because they're moisturizing to the skin as they work, they can help to prevent signs of irritation commonly caused by retinol. Together, these ingredients have also been shown to smooth and plump the skin from the inside out.
Retinol, because it's a form of vitamin A, is actually considered an antioxidant. When paired with an anti-inflammatory ingredient, the beneficial power of both ingredients can be increased significantly.
And when retinol is paired with ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and fruit extract, their anti-inflammatory effects become even more powerful. We put encapsulated retinol in our new Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask because it works overnight while you're asleep to repair your skin from the inside out. Even though it's gentler, it's still an incredibly effective ingredient that works best overnight. Encapsulated retinol has been shown to both decrease and treat milia around the eyes. It can also be used to treat dark circles, fine lines in the area, and more because it helps increase cell turnover and collagen production.
We utilized a very gentle advanced hydrogel base and added in other beneficial ingredients such as niacinamide and hyaluronic acid to create a unique, potent eye mask. We love retinol for the way it transforms all types of skin, and we're so excited to bring you a new version that even more people can use and love.
If you have any more questions about encapsulated retinol, leave them in the comments below and we'll answer them.
Stay tuned for more ingredient breakdowns and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get your glow on!